Hey everybody. Okay, so I'm going to be making Instant Pot chicken taco. We have the Instant Pot, 6 quart, and I have some chicken breasts in it. So I have 4. They're really, really big. So I'm going to be using the 4 that I have, and then we're going to add chicken broth, so probably about a half cup or 2/3 cup, about 2/3 cup of that. We're going to add some salsa, probably a little over 8 ounces. This is 8 ounces, so that's 1 cup, so probably a little over 8 ounces of that. So I'll probably take that and then whatever's left in the fridge. And I like sweet, so I'm gonna add some crushed pineapple to the cooking process. And we're gonna add the whole pack of taco seasoning. Okay, so I don't know if you can hear my kids in the background, but it'll be all right. So what we're going to add first is some chicken broth and can opener. I don't really measure, but I will add what I think will work. I want enough in the bottom to cook correctly on the pressure setting. Give me 1 second. Okay, so about 2/3 of a cup. That's more like a cup, probably. Yeah, we'll do like half a can. So about a cup, I would say. And then we're going to put in the crushed pineapple. And we're just using the whole can, whatever it is. 15 1/4 ounces. So we're just gonna sprinkle that in there. I like sweet, so why not, right? It's the first time I've done this. And then so we're gonna spread that out a little bit. My little one wants to say hi, so he's gonna come on up here. Come over here.
Hi.
Come over here.
Hi.
We're cooking in the Instant Pot, so tell your brothers, okay? Alright. And now...
Everybody, we're cooking in it.
I'm on video. Okay, so I'm gonna add the whole jar of salsa. So the whole jar of salsa. And then I'm gonna look for some. Okay, so I don't have anything extra, and I don't know if you can hear it, but my dishwasher is running in the background, and it's a portable, so it's a little loud. And then we're just gonna add in the whole pack of taco seasoning. Some people like more, some people like less. I personally like it. So we're gonna add that in there, and all right, I think we'll cook it now.
That smells good.
Yeah, it smells good, doesn't it?
Facebook, it smells good.
That's not Facebook, that's YouTube.
Oh, at YouTube, it smells good.
I think, I don't know if I should add the extra liquid or not. No, I think maybe a little bit extra.
Looks
Okay.
disgusting.
3/4 of a can of the can of broth. So we have that. Okay, and now we are going to turn it on, and we're going to use the. I was going to look for poultry, but I think we'll do. This one doesn't have a poultry. My other one does. I think we'll put this on pressure cook. So pressure cook, and we're going to check our lid, make sure it is down. So it's down. And then I think we'll do high pressure. And we're going to do I think about 16 minutes will do it. I'm gonna double check. Oh, so I did a natural pressure release. Took about 30-40 minutes. There's that. There's a lot of liquid in there, but we're fixing to mix it up and shred it up. Quite a bit of liquid. So give me a second. Natural pressure release. I pressure released it naturally until the pin dropped. Then I opened it up. There was quite a bit of liquid, so I did already drain some liquid. Now we're gonna shred up the chicken, and somebody told me to use a hand mixer. We're gonna go through it one more time. Make sure we got it all. Pop those into the sink. All right. I don't know if y'all could see that or not, but I did save the remaining of the juice, not juice, chicken broth that I used to cook it in. I saved the remainder of it in case we needed some, but I did leave a little when I drained it. I left just a tiny bit in the bottom of the Instapot just for moisture, because you know sometimes chicken breasts tend to be a little dry when they're cooked, but or if they overcook, it can be a little dry. But I think this turned out pretty good, so I'm about to taste it for flavor and see what it tastes like. Let me give you a whole look. That is Instant Pot chicken, and I used my mixer to shred it up. So I'm gonna taste it. It is very hot. It turned out really good, and it's gonna be amazing on tacos. So, should get my son's opinion. He just came out. Oh, son, we're doing a video. A video, so you can tell YouTubers.
That's really good.
I had a hair on you.
That is really good.
Don't get on tacos?
Yes.
Okay. Well, guess we're about to eat some tacos.
That is good.
Y'all have a good day. Thank you for watching.